Here is the kitchen window. So it's a little bit lower, which I love. I really like that it's lower. And here's the window from the outside. We're gonna have to figure out what to do with the sides because it's smaller. So they put in that wood, but I don't like it. So either we're gonna put a frame around it or maybe shutters. Maybe that's the answer, is we'll just put shutters there and I don't know what to do with that. I just know that I don't like it. And he suggested painting it gray, but I don't like that either. But unless we were doing the shutters or the siding, so unless we were doing the siding, there really isn't a viable solution. So I'm gonna have to think about this one. And it'll be the same thing on the other side, which sucks. So maybe we'll just frame it and like do this sort of thing over there. But I don't have any of that siding stuff. I don't know if you can buy it. Well, I've got a little bit there, don't I? No. So I'll see if I can buy it. It's light gray. So we should be able to find this just about anywhere, I think. So I'll give you an update on this here. I did like all the way like this over here. This is just so thick with weeds. So I'm about 3/4 of the way through. Oh my goodness. I don't know how much of this hair cap moss is in the area here. If it's not here, it'll go quicker. But if it is here, it takes a long time because this part here that had a lot of the so much grass growing between it that it slowed it down. So if there isn't a lot or any, it'll go quick. And I don't know if there is because I don't see any. And maybe that's why I thought about putting grass in this area here because there wasn't this. So anyway, that's what I have here. So the bunkie now has the insulation on it, on the roof. It was going to be very difficult to schedule when to put it on. So we just had them do it because the roof guys are going to be coming soon and scheduling became an issue. So I'm so pleased that it's done. They didn't take those braces off and they're going to be putting strapping going across to put the roof on it after. So I'm so relieved that this is done. So Jason was here and he was saying they do not typically put landscape cloth underneath this sort of thing because this is for water to run through. So I think what I'll do is just weed what I currently see and then just outline it with a landscape little thing all the way. Yeah. So there's not much that we can do about this. He said even if I used a 6-inch strap, he said it may stop it in the meantime, but just flow over, soil will get there. So it's that time of the year where I'm noticing that not only are there a lot of acorns falling, but there's also some leaves that are starting to turn color and are falling, and that's a sign of fall. So oh my goodness, just taking a little rest here. I'm not sure whether I'll go down today or whether I'll go down early tomorrow, leave at 7:30 in the morning. Yeah, it's just become I'm just having difficulty going. Anyway, but I have to go. It's not like I have a choice. I have to go. It's such a beautiful day here. It was extremely hot. It was 30 degrees. A little humid, more humid than I'd like it to be. And yeah, to the point where I had to put on the AC. But I'm loving sitting here. Jason came by, I talked to him. They also put in 2 of the windows, which are installed now, but it's not finished on the inside, so I'm a little disappointed with that. Because he did say that if they had time, they do the second window. So when they said they were doing the second window, I thought that the first window was completely finished, but it wasn't. So they didn't have the trim to put on. They apparently were out of trim, so they will have to finish that off when they come in next time. So this is such a nice spot at this time of the day. It's a filtered shade, but it's so nice and fresh here.